Alright, fellow YouTubers, do-it-yourselfers, we're here at Best Fleet Service. Today's quick tip brought to you by Autotech 2.0. We're working on a 2004 Chrysler 300M, 3.5. You hear that loud ticking noise here, it's in for a misfire. You can actually see which cylinder it is. And it's most likely this coil's bad. You can see it shooting out sparks. Pretty dangerous, so I'm glad they brought it in when they did, so we can swap these out. We're actually going to go get the original equipment, which is Champion's spark plugs, so we're going to go get that in one coil and then change these out. These are T20s, so very simple, just remove these, and there's one on each side, so just do those real quick, and then most likely it's a 14 or a 5/8 to get that spark plug out. So very simple, very easy to do, you guys. This quick tip brought to you by Autotech 2.0. If you're hearing that ticking noise, most likely it's going to be a coil. You guys have a good day.